Hello everyone, I'm Kelly. Thank you very much for coming by this video. This is all the fabric that my sister and I used to make the gemstone quilt. And we kind of kept the fabrics in like the color families that we used. All 5 of them together. And these swatches I'm going to put in my binder. I'll just do them a hole punch. Down here in the filing cabinet, this is all the fabric for the wolf quilt. I still need to use charcoal for the binding, and I have a gray that's going to be the backing, but I want to sort everything out pretty much file folder like this, so we'll see how that goes. My plan is to use these zip top bags to put the scraps of each fabric in, and then use a foil folder here like this for like larger chunks or the main piece that I haven't cut off. Now, I also have larger bags here, and it's really hard to tell, but if there's a load of scraps, I'll just put them in a bigger bag, and I can easily write the name of the color on it. On there, and I'll write the name of the color up there, like I did with all the ones in the filing cabinet already. I'm getting there in my organizing. That is heliotrope put aside for the binding on the Hawaiian table runner. I have all of the gemstone colors sorted into either a manila folder or a bag or both. There's more over here just in bags because there wasn't that much. And since the filing cabinet already has folders, I'm just going to go through the scraps and put the scraps in a bag. And I might put the whole thing in a bag and change it all around. We'll see how it goes. Okay. All the fabric is in the cabinet. I had originally thought of doing alphabetical order by color, but I changed my mind. I'm keeping the gray, black, etc. from the wolf together. Shadow. Then I put the 2 light greens in there together. Ivory and khaki together, and then I kept all of the sort of paprika, terracotta, all those kind of colors all together. And then back here, in some bags, is all the reds from my dad's garnet, is red, ruby, etc. And on the top, it doesn't really close all that well, is again grouped by color, the gemstone ones. I put all of like the turquoisey type blues at the front, the light grays from diamond, steel, etc., and then more blue, and then the greens, and then sort of the purpley colors all at the back. And I can use the swatches to refer to, because they're still over here. I haven't done the hole punch yet, but I'm going to hole punch them all and put them in the binder, and then if I need to refer to colors, I can, because they're all written down. Thanks for hanging in there with me.